Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert JPEG to JPG. So let's get started the video. To convert JPEG to JPG, I'm going to use an online converter. So open your web browser, search for JPEG to JPG. Click here. This will take you to this Cloud Convert website. Now click on Select File. Locate and select your JPEG file. Then click on Open. Now click on this arrow and select JPG from the list. Click on Convert. It may take some time to convert your image. Your image is converted to JPG format. To download this, click on the download button. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.